It's always good to add a little hardware reveal to a summer console showcase, but Sony's Project Q handheld's introduction at the PlayStation Showcase on Wednesday was one of the more puzzling ones. The 8-inch Project Q device lets you play PlayStation 5 games via Sony's Remote Play system by streaming them over Wi-Fi from your PS5 when you're away from your TV, according to the press release. It appears to be a DualSense controller that has been split in half and fastened to the ends of a Switch's middle. It is not a true handheld console or cloud gaming system. To give you an example, the games are run locally on your PS5, and Project Q won't work while you're on the go if there isn't a cellular connection, unless the trainer plane you're on has a very strong Wi-Fi connection, or you purchase a 5G hub on a reliable network. Project Q cannot be used with the PlayStation Plus subscription service's cloud gaming component, since the games must be installed on the PS5 as well. Remote Play accomplishes this, and it has been doing so for a very long time. Back in 2006, when the PlayStation 3 was released, the capability was initially limited to the PlayStation Portable, and then the handheld PlayStation Vita. Support gradually increased to include additional Sony products, Windows and Mac computers, and finally, as of 2019, Android and iOS mobile devices. When linked with a PlayStation controller, it's not too difficult to set up on a laptop, phone, or iPad, and it may be extremely useful. However, it has never been particularly popular. Therefore, the questions are: what is Project Q's contribution? And why, after 17 years, is Sony still making investments in remote play with a specific device? The attractiveness of a dedicated device is simple to comprehend. A portable console's form factor is more comfortable than a separate controller and small screen in most circumstances. This convenience is offered by Project Q, which should perform more smoothly than any alternative remote play option, because it is a single-use certified PlayStation gadget. It includes every feature of the DualSense, including its adaptable triggers and precise haptic feedback, in contrast to accessories or controllers from third parties. Although no LED display like the top-of-the-line Switch would have been lovely instead of the LCD that Sony is delivering, the screen's 1080p resolution will undoubtedly be sufficient for its dimensions. Project Q's main goal, apparently, is to provide the best, most convenient remote play option for use throughout the house. However, it won't provide any more than that, and by doing so, it is duplicating the functions of other gadgets you already own. Even the backbone gaming controller for mobile devices has a PlayStation license, and an Android version of it was shown the day before Project Q. If your mobile data plan and service can handle its data demands, it might theoretically make remote play genuinely portable, even though it lacks the DualSense features. The fact that Sony is not extending Project Q's capabilities to stream games from the cloud, so that it might operate separately from a PS5, is perhaps the most shocking aspect of the project. Cloud streaming only needs internet and a video decoder, both of which Project Q should already have. It doesn't call for a lot of computing power. Sony might not have been able to get it operating well enough at cost, but on the other hand, perhaps spending a bit more and taking a higher price point might have been worthwhile to improve the device's functionality and future-proof it. The presence of Project Q indicates that Sony is aware of the need for gaming to become more flexible and less dependent on a large electronic brick under the desk or TV. The huge success of Nintendo's Switch is evidence of this, and Microsoft and other companies are banking that this wish will eventually cause gaming to follow other forms of entertainment material into the world of cloud streaming. In reality, Sony was a pioneer in the field of cloud gaming technology. In order to create the PlayStation Now service, it spent $380 million on the Gaikai platform, but it never really seemed to know what to do with it. The truth is that Sony's business model, culture, or values do not easily align with the cloud. Many of the powerful individuals at Sony are either engineers who succeed at creating gadgets or marketers who excel at packaging and marketing them. Sony is a household name in the entertainment sector, and was founded on the foundation of an established consumer electronics business. The marketers now have another box to sell, and the engineers have another device to create. But there isn't much in the box. Project Q makes sense, in a niche manner, as a method to make the benefits of remote play more accessible and commercial. But as a response to the quickly evolving gaming future, it's a little bit behind the times. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day, and luck is definitely on your side.